Today we will learn laws of motion. 1. A suitcase kept in the train remains in rest WRT the train unless brakes are applied or train gains speed. 2. Passengers in the bus fall forward when brakes are applied. Sir Isaac Newton published 3 laws in the 17th century. In this article, we are going to talk about Newton's first law. This law is an introduction to motion of the object and the force acting on it. In other words, it deals with the motion of an object and its relation to force. Newton's first law states that a body remains in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless and until an external force acts on it. Putting Newton's first law of motion in simple words, a body will not start moving until and unless an external force acts on it. Once it is set in motion, it will not stop or change its velocity until and unless some force acts upon it once more. The first law of motion is sometimes also known as the law of inertia. Let us take a block on a smooth surface. By smooth, we mean that there is no friction acting on the surface. The block is at rest, that is, it is not moving. Now, let us examine the forces acting on the block. The only forces acting on the block are the force of gravity and the normal reaction by the surface. There is no force acting on it in the horizontal direction. Since the forces in the vertical direction are equal to each other in magnitude, they cancel each other out, and hence there is no external force on the block. Since this block is at rest, we can say that it confirms Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion now, if we apply a constant force F on the block in a horizontal direction, it will start moving with some constant acceleration, in the direction of the applied force. Newton's first law of motion thus, the first law of motion is confirmed again,